everyone, it's Louise with Louise Making Art, and welcome to my channel. I hope you all had a really nice and quiet Thanksgiving, and on this long weekend, hopefully you guys will have a chance to paint for yourselves. All right, everybody, I'm on my fourth coaster with this color palette that I'm playing with. Yeah, I'm really happy with how these are turning out. All right, so I'm a little bubblicious because I decanted my Multi-Pro can into my nut container 2 days ago now, and it's still showing bubbles. So I know I've shared this with you guys before, but once I've decanted my main container, I don't touch or stir my pillow paint. I leave it alone, because the more you play with it, the more chance you're going to get for bubbles. So that first color was Naples Yellow Deep with Pearl by Amsterdam. That last color there was quinacridone Nicolazo Gold combined with combined with Zeus from TLP. Here's my gold combination of 24 karat by DecoArt and iridescent gold by Golden. And these are like the dynamic duo, this and the quinacridone, in my opinion. This red here is Golden's quinacridone Crimson with some DecoArt Garnet and some TLP Grenache. Fancy name, Grenache. Seems to be getting a little thick here, a little thick in the tooth. And then last but not least is my Golden Carbon Black. And I'm sorry, you just put red and black together, you got dynamic. It's just a great color combination. It's just really interesting how some colors just work together. I always go back and look at the other ones to see what I think. All right, so Cell Activator. I'm just going to leave that there, see what happens. Here's my white. This is my American Floetrol, video 141. If you want to see my creation video and recipe. I show you piece by piece, step by step, how I create this. And at first I thought the selector wasn't coming back so well, but what was happening is my black is on black. So I have extra black in the middle, and that's what I'm seeing. Okay, here we go. Okay, I don't know if you picked up on that, but I had a rhythm. The rhythm is gonna get you, and the rhythm got me on this one. I got into this groove as I was blowing it out, and it just felt right. So as I go through stretching the pillow out across the coaster, I'm just gonna cut out some sections here. This one is going to be flippin' fantastic. Okay, wow, oh my gosh. Gently take care of this one. Oh, this one's going to be amazing. Okay. Oh, my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I tell you, it's like looking at the Grand Canyon for the first time when you walk out. It's like, sometimes you get this creation that is just like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, I need to slow down. I'm a little too excited right now. I'm a little too excited. Let's get you out of here. So for anyone new here watching, all I'm doing here is dunking some of the white spots that I got from the air bubbles. And let's get you out of here. Okay. Oh. All right, I got the corners I need to get off. Everything looks pretty well balanced. I'm babying this one. Here we go. Very nice. That is smack dab center. Oh, careful. I gotta take care of this guy. Wow. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to show you guys. This is going to be the creation of the four. Okay, I'm going to pop another air bubble. And all you do is just dip this toothpick just ever so gently in. Slowly pull it back. And hopefully get the air bubble, get the white spot. Yeah, like I say, my pillow's working against me a little bit because it's freshly decanted. Let's see, one more, I think. Wow. What in the world? Couple more white spots. Darn pillow paint. Sometimes dabbing it helps better. Okay, I'm going to show you something real quick here, folks. Since I know that this has got it's prone to to air bubbles right now, I'm just going to do this. I'm going to bang it to try to percolate up the white spots. As much as I'm wanting to be careful with this guy, I also want to make sure that it's going to come out good. So here's one that percolated up. Bam, gone. Now I don't have to worry about it. But I'll tell you, let me give you guys the overhead view. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. So everyone, that's a wrap. Here's the one we just created, plus the other 3 in the set. And at the very end, I will be linking my Bloom Coaster playlist if you'd like to see other color combinations and other creations. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the bell on all to get all my latest art tutorials. I would love to hear your comments, and a thumbs up would also be appreciated. And sorry I blocked the light in the beginning of this close-up, but here is the close-up of all the creations after they were resined. And look at the cells up close on these. I mean, this is just amazing with my American Floetrol cell activator. So everyone, that's all I have for now. Take care. Until next time, we'll see you later.